Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is August the 12th and we are looking at the Russell for the chart of the day for today. So we can see 1 hour time frame here. We're looking to complete 5 ways up from this low in July 30th. It does have an extended wave 3 here, right, which is basically suggesting that this is in fact is a wave 3 because of the extension. We got a pullback here complete in a 3 waves, which again signals the possibility we should be extending higher still. And now it is kind of consolidating, and it can be a triangle here, right, and still needs to break above wave 3 obviously, but it does kind of look like it eventually will happen. And basically in the short term we're looking for one more leg up at the least to complete the wave 3 here, right? So we should be looking for a 5 ways up. And in terms of the potential target here, we can use 1.236 external retracement as the minimum target here, which is 3071 as the minimum target on the upside to finish a 5 waves. Now zooming out is a little bit zooming out is a little bit unclear in terms of the exact sort of count, right? So this is the 4 hour time frame. So we got this 1 and 2 here, which is this 2 as you can see in the 1 hour. So this is the position. Now we are still more or less within the cycle from April for now, and within that cycle we are looking, I don't believe this 2 here is not a correction against this cycle, but still is a part of the same cycle, it looks to me, since the pullback is kind of rather shallow, right? We are just 23.6% retracement. So I don't believe this cycle ended here and then this is the end of the correction. So instead, this should still be within the same cycle. So think of it as if this is a 5 ways up, so you can say that this is maybe an extension within wave 5, let's say. So if you put here the 3 and the 4 in a higher degree, let's say, right, if this is the 3 and 4, or you can put it here, depends on, positioning can always change here and there. So this is 3 and 4, and then that means your 1 and 2 is somewhere here, and we're still more likely within the same cycle from this low and looking to complete this cycle, right, to finish a 5 ways up from here. So again, if I put it here, let's say 3 and 4, then that means we should be looking for a 3, a 4, and a 5 like this to finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we could finish this cycle and then see a bigger pullback afterwards, right? But like I mentioned, the long term, the slightly larger time frame is not very nice. The structure is a little bit messy. However, in the shorter cycle, it does point to more upside because of the extension of the 3rd wave, and also because the pullback is in a 3 waves, and then now it's kind of consolidating. This one also looks impulsive. So I think at least when we're talking about the short term here, we should be looking for more upside to reach at least, more likely at least 3071. Potentially can extend even more, but the minimum target usually is measured as a 1.236 external retracement, which is this level 3071. Then after that we can get a 3-ish pullback after it finishes the cycle in a 5 ways, when we should be getting a 3-ish pullback before extending higher again. Okay guys, so that's kind of the update on the Russell for now. And as always, if you do want to get more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and you can use the link in the description. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.